Hi! In front of me is iPad Air 5th generation Wi-Fi, and today I would like to show you how you can use split screen on this device. First of all, open one of your apps, for example, browser. Now you need to swipe up over here and select one of those. I will go with Notes. Hold it and drag it to the side of your screen. If you see that that app is getting blurry, you need to let go of that one. And as you can see, now I can use both of them at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, drag one of your apps to the side and simply close that one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!